Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. It is almost 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I am in my car on my way to work and my car is like Herbie fully loaded right now. That reference doesn't really make sense because Herbie doesn't really have anything to do with a packed car, but you know what I mean. Yeah, today is moving day into our apartment, which is the stepping stone to our house. So it's a very, very exciting day today. My car is packed because I'm gonna, oh, green light, BRB. Anyways, I forget where I left off, but basically my car is just packed because I'm on my way to work right now. I'm gonna leave work early so I could just go straight to our new apartment and unload what I have here, you know, never waste a trip when you're moving. And then, yeah, continue making trips throughout the day. Steven is not working today, so he like rented a U-Haul and is gonna get like our bed and like all of that furniture and all of his stuff. I think he's gonna try to knock it out in one trip, which is very smart. Unfortunately, I can't do that because I drive a tiny little car. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with. Yeah, stay tuned. That's the plan. Hello, I am on the floor in our new apartment, but want to take a quick little break to mention a sponsor for this video. Wow. So I would just like to thank Dossier, I assume that's how it is pronounced, for sponsoring this video. They have amazing, adorable perfumes inspired by designer perfumes. So they're great, affordable perfumes. They smell so amazing. Also, the aesthetics of the perfume itself is just like on point, my thing. I've been trying them out the last few weeks and I really do love them. They don't like irritate my skin or anything, because you know sometimes perfumes, they can irritate your skin a little bit, but that is not the case. But yeah, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use for 10% off. I will have it linked here on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's just sydneyjbeauty10, but it'll also be linked at the top of the description for this video. So make sure you guys check it out. The two that I got for reference are Floral 2, which is inspired by Gucci Bloom. Literally smells just like it. And then the other one I got two, is Oriental Woody 1, and that one is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. So 10 out of 10, recommend to a friend. Hello, it is now Monday. Last time I was on here, which was the very beginning of the vlog, was Thursday. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that a lot has happened this whole weekend. I actually haven't really been active on any social media because a lot has been going on this weekend, but we're finally in an apartment. This is like our first night, just kind of like us. I mean, technically it's a second night, but last night Steven had a wedding, so like it's first night, just
I got married last night.
He got married. But yeah, so it's super exciting. We finally found a place that we feel comfortable in, safe in, everything that matters that you should feel in a home, whether you're there for a year, 10 years, whatever. Scout absolutely loves it. He loves all the space. Do you have something in your mouth? You have something in your mouth. He just loves all the room to roam and everything since he's the only pup here now. Steven is trying to stream The Bachelor so we can watch it live tonight because it's getting down to the wire. Pilot Pete making all of us shake and stir over her. Ooh. So we are making some bagel bites, having ourselves a pizza party. Also, we are really excited because we finally have a refrigerator to just ourselves. I have some leftover Papa John's pizza in here as well, so having a little naughty night, little pizza party action. Very excited. Yeah, we don't usually eat like this, like all the time, but you know, we're celebrating. We got the bagel bites, we got the scoochy scooch, and we almost have The Bachelor.
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. Online, in store, every 5,000 years.
10 out of 10, can't stand Victoria. 10 out of 10. Wait, so did he like send her home? I guess, technically, right? I think that's what happened.
Is this the part where they come back and like, go get her?
Don't let her go. It is officially, technically, night 2 in the new apartment. We're having ourselves a little Taco Tuesday. Yeah. How you loving it?
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
He's loving it. Scooch is loving it. He's like, put me in the vlog. Oh, you're such a good boy. Look at him. You are just so good. You're just so good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. But yeah, we are really loving having our own space. We just went grocery shopping. Finally, we haven't gone grocery shopping in like forever. So spent quite a bit, but we're just so happy because now we have like our own refrigerator also. Eat the sugar cookies. So it's so nice to like grocery shop for real, for real. So I just wanted to close up this video with just kind of sitting down and explaining to you guys kind of what has been happening-ish this past weekend. I know this vlog has been a little all over the place. So to kind of give a little synopsis, we were supposed to move into one apartment and it just did not work out. It was just awful, terrible, horrible. Literally, we packed up and moved out the next day, and I did not vlog any of that. It just was too much happening, too much going on, and it was just too much, you know? And then we found this apartment that we're in right now that we love so much, and so we moved in there on Saturday. In here. We moved in here on Saturday and we really love it. We love it a lot. It's more of a community. That last apartment, it was just not good. It was more of like a temporary home, you know, because we are in an apartment because it is a temporary home. Steven's building a house, and so we just need a place until that house is done being built. And so we were kind of ended up kicking ourselves for choosing such a poopy place right off the bat, and it proved itself being really awful, which is why we moved out right away and we got all of our money back. And yeah, so it's been a pretty chaotic moving experience, but we are a lot happier now and we love the place that we are in for the time being that we're gonna be here. So that kind of explains why this vlog was all over the place, how it started off Thursday all gung-ho excited to move into that apartment, and then whenever I picked it up, I don't even remember, to us moving into a different apartment all in the same weekend. It's been wild, but yeah, so now we're experts at moving pretty much. But yeah, that's the update. And so hopefully when I am on here talking to you guys about moving and home stuff, it's going to be about the future house, and it's all going to be good stuff, exciting stuff, good vibes are in the air. I'm really excited. Steven's excited. Scout is excited. It's going to be a good time. So that kind of wraps it up for this really crazy, all over the place moving vlog. Yeah, it's been a wild ride, very emotional, lots of silly things, such is life. But don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Okay, bye guys.